Welcome to Maxpanda. In this video, I'm going to go over the Submitter and Tenant roles. This is actually the same role, just with different names. The first step is to create your Maxpanda account. You should be receiving an email invitation. Simply click the link in the email and fill in the required information to create your account. Come up with the username, add your first name and last name, create a password question and answer, and select your language setting and click Create ID. Once your account is created, log in and it will take you to the Maxpanda dashboard. From here, you can submit new work orders as well as view the status of work orders you have submitted. You can also view support if you need help, print off work orders, and copy them, download them as CSVs, and print screen them. Your user profile information is located in the upper right-hand corner. This is where you can change your profile information, password, and password question. As well, if your Maxpanda account has multiple sites, you may see this drop-down menu in the upper right-hand corner. Some companies create multiple sites for each department or geographical location, each with its own buildings, locations, assets, and work orders. To filter between the sites, simply select it from the drop-down menu. To submit a work order, click the Add button in the top right corner, the Submit Work Order button along the top, or the Submit Work Order button in the main menu. Here you give your work order a title, something to do with what the issue is. Select a category, a priority, add a short description, any notes you might want to add, just anything that there's no field for. Add CC, so an email address of anyone else you want to be kept up to date on the status of the work order, and select the building, location, or asset where the work needs to be done. For example, if I select the locations, it will list all the locations available within my account. If I select assets, it will list all the assets. By selecting a building, it will then filter the available locations to only the locations within that building. And by selecting an asset, it will filter to only the assets in that building. I can go a step further. So if I select a location, the assets filter further to only the assets in that location in that building. I also have the option to start typing. So if I just start typing, it will automatically filter the list for me as well. I also have the option to upload any files. This could be images, PDFs, audio files, etc. Once I have filled in the work order, all I do is click Submit. Work orders that are submitted must first be approved by an admin or editor in your account. Once I have submitted a work order, I can view it in my list here. This is in chronological order with the newer ones at the top, so I can see my newest work order right here. If I want to view the details, I can click the green I button to open that up, and I can read over information. As new information is added, I can keep up to date on the status of my work order. Once the work order has been approved, the status would change to the approved state. From there, it would become completed and closed. If a work order is not completed on time, it would switch to overdue. Each time that the status changes, you receive an email notification letting you know. You can log back into your account at any time to open it up and view the new changes. If you're looking for a particular work order, there is a live filter search available. Simply type in what you're looking for and it will automatically filter the list for you. As well, I can sort by priority, category, status, due date, start date, close date, location, and assets. Another way to submit work orders is through the GoMax mobile app. This is a free download available for both Android and Apple. Simply go to the App Store or Google Play to download it. Once downloaded, simply log in with your username and password and you'll be taken to this screen here. From here, you can submit new work orders as well as view work orders you have submitted. Submitting a work order on the mobile app is very similar to the desktop. Simply select the Submit Work Order button, fill in the details, and click Submit. You also have the option to upload photos directly to the work order from your phone, as well as take photos and attach them.